The governor, Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa, is a God-fearing politician and a man I can say is people-oriented. You know, since I came to know him, I know all his concerns has always been for the people. He's always talking of the people, the people, the people. And so we, his added followers, have taken to that route too. It's a man we believe in so much, and we're happy he has not disappointed us. As a matter of fact, for those of us who started this struggle with him, we believe he has surpassed our expectation, and we are glad about it. I would believe that he has performed creditably well in Delta State, and we see him going for higher assignment, and that is our daily prayer. We know that wherever he goes to, he will continue to remember Delta State. Anioma Congress was formed primarily to rescue the Delta Northerners politically. You know, there was a time in this state where nobody believed in the average Delta Northerner. You saw what happened when Dr. Okowa had a shot at first in the PDP primaries and all that. Even though it was clear to everybody that he won that primary, we were shortchanged, but he took it with equanimity. And after that, some of us decided that we were going, to put some structures together to fight for our people. So that was how Anioma Congress was formed, under the able leadership of His Royal Majesty the Asaba of Asaba. And we started all the networking. We traveled around this country, appealing to the powers that be, stating our case as it were. And I am happy that it paid off, because we did everything. We had about 11, aspirants. Our children wanted to be governor. We were able to put them together, had interview for them, and at the end of the day, it was very clear that Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa was the choice of Anioma people, and the choice of our friends outside Anioma. And so we now called our political class and gave them the assignment to go and deliver him, and they did that perfectly. So we are happy. The Congress is still on, but for now we are not presenting any candidates. What we are going to do, and what we are doing now, is to work towards protecting the interests of our people, because we still have very large interests in Delta State to protect. So we are interested in who becomes the next governor of Delta State. That is very, very important. But we are going to work together as a team. We are going to support the governor, who is our political leader, to make it happen. So we are going to work as a team and make sure that whoever is going to govern Delta State with somebody who will give the Anioma people their due share. We are not calling for the marginalization of other persons. All we are calling for is equity and justice. We must get our due share in this state. We don't have any other state than Delta State. So that's our position. I can tell you on a serious note that every true Anioma person is behind the governor. Every true Anioma person is behind the governor, because the governor has not only made us proud, he has made this state proud by his activities, even at the national level. I'm sure you have seen the number of times He has been given national assignment and how he performed. So he's a true son of Anioma, and we'll continue to support him any day, anytime. All our leaders in the Congress are behind him. You may not see them openly. They may not be people who talk or write on the pages of newspapers or go to television stations to talk. But they are working behind the scene, and they are behind him. And anywhere or whatever he wants to do politically, we will always be with him. Our people, it was in the past that people didn't understand the meaning of what we're really doing as a Congress. But I can tell you that anywhere you find an Anioma son, they are very patriotic about our people, you know, and I am happy that very many of them are doing well in the oil industry, in the banking industry, in the media, everywhere, in the business world. They are there. Our people are doing well, and they are contributing to the growth of their environment, you know. So and they are also very supportive of the governor. I don't know of any Anioma person, high or low, who is out there who has you know, backed out from the governor. I don't know. We have quite a number of organizations that are affiliated to the Congress. The Congress is just the umbrella body of our people. Quite a number of people, like you mentioned, the OFAC. The OFAC is part of us. Dr. Kesa Ifeadi, who is the prime mover of OFAC, is one of us. You know, he was involved in the design, or the major actor in the design of the legacy project to Okowa Just Commission. I'm talking of the Chike Dozie Secretariat. So we have them, quite a number of political or social, cultural organizations, you know, that are affiliated to Anioma Congress, and they believe in us. They believe in the objective of the Congress, and I can tell you that even now we are not making noise, but we meet regularly, you know, at caucus level, you know, to look at issues of the moment, particularly the political issues of the moment, and at the appropriate time, when the chiefs are down, you will see us.